What if one day astronomers looked up and said, "Hey, there's a black hole heading this way." Would Earth get sucked up like spaghetti? Would the sky rip open, or would it be surprisingly boring? Let's find out first. What is a black hole? It's not a giant vacuum cleaner roaming space. It's just an object with a lot of mass packed into a tiny space. Its gravity is strong, very strong. But here's the key. Gravity only gets dangerous when you're close and out. If the sun suddenly turned into a black hole with the same mass, Earth wouldn't get pulled in. We'd keep orbiting like nothing changed. It would just be very dark and very cold. Forever. So distance matters. Now imagine a black hole passing near Earth, not crashing into us, just passing nearby. Let's say it's about the mass of our sun, and it comes as close as the distance between Earth and the sun. First thing we'd notice, the sky would look weird. Stars behind it would bend and stretch. This is called gravitational lensing. The black hole's gravity bends light like a cosmic funhouse mirror. You'd see distorted star patterns. Astronomers would be screaming with excitement, but Earth wouldn't instantly explode. Gravity weakens quickly with distance, so if the black hole stays far enough away, we mostly just feel a slight tug. Now let's make it more dramatic. What if it passes closer, like inside the orbit of the moon? That's when things get interesting. The moon controls our tides. Its gravity pulls our oceans. If a black hole came that close, its gravity would pull much harder. Oceans would rise dramatically. Massive tidal waves would crash into coastlines. Not one giant Hollywood wave, but repeated surges. Cities near the ocean would flood fast. Earth's crust might also flex and stretch. That could trigger earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. The planet wouldn't crack in half, but it would be a very bad week to live here. Now let's push it further. What if the black hole came extremely close? Close enough that its gravity starts pulling harder than Earth's gravity in some areas. Objects on the surface could feel lighter. In extreme cases, things could lift off the ground, not gently, violently. The biggest danger is something called tidal forces. Gravity pulls harder on the side of Earth closer to the black hole than on the far side. That difference can stretch objects. If it got too close, Earth itself could begin to stretch, slowly at first, then faster. And if it came very, very close, Earth could be torn apart, not swallowed instantly, not vacuumed up, but ripped into pieces by uneven gravity. Our planet would turn into a glowing stream of debris spiraling toward the black hole. That's the dramatic version. But here's the surprising part. Space is unbelievably huge. Black holes are rare. The odds of one wandering close enough to damage Earth are incredibly small. So small that you're far more likely to trip on your stairs today than witness a black hole flyby. In fact, there is a supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy right now. It's called Sagittarius A star, and we are safely orbiting far, far away from it. Black holes aren't cosmic monsters hunting planets. They're just objects following gravity's rules. So, the big reveal? A black hole passing near Earth might look terrifying. The sky would warp. Scientists would lose their minds. But unless it gets extremely close, we wouldn't be sucked in. We'd just get a spectacular light show, and maybe some very confused ocean tides. The universe feels scary because it's powerful, but it's also incredibly spacious, and most of the time, that distance keeps us safe. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there, black holes are drifting silently through space, and for now, they're minding their own business. If you enjoyed this cosmic what if, hit like so more people can discover What If Galaxy. Comment below with the next scenario you want to explore and subscribe, because the universe is full of questions and we're just getting started.